Welcome to the second part of this short series. In this part, I want to talk about host and service states and what they mean in Checkmk. The services can have the following states. This is basically showing their status. When it's shown OK, everything is fine with the service, obviously. But then we have two another states. It's the warning state. That is a first threshold. If this one is reached, you can, for example, trigger an email or notification. But there's also the critical state. This is the final threshold. Usually this one is used to trigger notifications. Then sometimes you're going to see a state is called unknown. In this case, literally, it means the status of the service is unknown. That could be that exception occurred with the plugin, or something went wrong with the data. It could be, of course, that something is wrong with the service, but also likely just the check is broken. Let's take a look how they all look. This would be an OK state. Then simple in yellow, you have the warning state. Obviously, again, the critical state is marked by this red color here. So then the final one, what I talked about, was the unknown, that you can see in orange. But not only services has states, also host does. They're a bit different. There you have the up state. That means the host is available and answering the request. Usually a ping is used for that, not the normal one you use from the command line, but is a very efficient one. The next state would be down. This means the ping in this example would not respond anymore, or if you have changed the check plugin for the host, it's also possible to change the check command, then this check command returns an error. A new state we don't have at the services is the unreachable state. The state you have set up parents, and the parent of the host has a problem. Then this host goes just to unreachable. You normally use that to not trigger too many notifications. For example, if the switch is the parent and the switch is down, you don't need to trigger a notification for every server which is connected to the switch. Then that's how the up state is looking like in Checkmk. It's again with the green color. Second, the down state. So, but one state is missing. You normally see that state not that often, only if you're using the raw edition with Nagus as a core. It's called the pending state. This just means that the service or host status not yet has been checked, nothing else. Normally this resolves automatically after a few seconds. That's all for this one. There's just one little short video coming up in this series the next days, and then we're going to look more into other detailed topics.